Hello there, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone to shoot professional looking portraits so you don't have to use a digital SLR like this, so you can shoot photos that look like this. And these were shot with an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me show you how to use this with your iPhone. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into portrait mode. Now when you go into portrait mode on your iPhone, you're going to see some options here. Now over here on this phone, because it's a 14 Pro Max, I actually have the selection of 3 lenses. We have 1x, 2x, and 3x. Now your best results are going to be shooting at the 2x position if your phone has that, or also possibly 3x. Now you can see here if you hit that little F, you can adjust the depth of field. Now I'll talk more about this later, but this really isn't so important because actually after you shoot the pictures, you can adjust this. So if you've already shot some pictures in portrait mode, I can show you how to make them look better because you can adjust this after the fact. Okay, so I have a bunch of photos here. So let's take this one here that I showed you earlier. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go up, I'm going to hit this edit button, and when I do that, it's going to give me some options here. So you can see it was shot at f4.5. Now what that means is the smaller the number, the more shallow depth of field. Now, I'm going to get it closer to the camera here, and I'm going to adjust it here on the bottom. Now you see how we take it all the way to f16, and you see how sharp the background is, and you see if we move it all the way down to like 1.8 or 2.0, we really blur out that background. You don't want to blur out the background too much because you'll start to see it in the hairline. So I think where I have it there at 2.2, that's the best. So you go ahead and you hit done. Now we're going to hit edit again. Now we're going to shape the light. Now you can see by default, it's on this natural light, and then we got studio light, and then we got contour light. These are the ones that I like to use. Now there are more options here, and I'm going to make another video about that, and I'm going to show you what that looks like here. So those other options, I'm going to show you what they look like. You can totally make a black background. You can make it look black and white. Then you can make the background look white also. So right now we're just going to concentrate on color photos. And I think here doing the contour light, that one seems to be the best. And I'm just going to use the default settings. On the next one, I'm going to actually make an adjustment with it. And there you go. There is our finished portrait. And you can see that is pretty amazing. Okay, so here we're going to go again. We hit edit, and then we're going to hit the f-stop. And you can see it was set to f7.1. And you see I want to blur it out a little bit more. So usually my go-to is around 2.8. And this one looks pretty good at f2.8. Everything looks good. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to adjust the light. I can't really decide whether I want to do studio or I want to do contour light. Now I think I want to go with contour light, and you can see here you can adjust the slider some points down, and really you can just make it however you like it, to what suits your taste and how you think it looks the best. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please enjoy the finished samples at the end. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.